Hi guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you on how to make use of the tape rule. So we are going to be learning today how to use a tape rule. So here with me is the tape rule I have. This is my tape rule. I used in walking. So when you look at it, it's very obvious I've clearly been using it to work. So let's start. If you look at this tape rule, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to 60. So the length of the tape is 60. That is where this is 46, this is 53, and this is 60. Then we see the length, the end of the tape. All right. So back to tip 1. Normally this edge, when you get your tape, you see this edge, this golden edge is always also at the front of this place too. Okay, so because I've been using it to walk, so it's no longer there. So when you get your tape, you definitely see yours too. It's the same thing as the edge, because it didn't cut. If you notice it just pulled out. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first line, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this, the longest among these lines is called a ½ inch. So this is a ½ inch. We call this ½ inch. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1 inch. So this is 1 inch. So this is 1 inch. Then this is 2 inches. This is 3 inches. This is 4 inches. You understand? So that's how to calculate inch. If they say from where to where is known as inch in tape, you know it's from one end to the other end is called 1 inch. So this in between this line is called the ½ inch. This is the half of an inch, right? This is half of an inch, right? So let's go back again to this place. So this is ½ inch. This is 1 inch. This is 3/4 of an inch. As I said earlier, from one end to one end is 1 inch. From one end to one end is 1 inch. This is an inch. So when you say an inch in tape, you know it's from one end to one end. Then ½ of an inch is this line, this long line. This line in between, the line in between one end of this line, from one number to another number, the line in between, the longest line in between is called ½ inch. Then 1 inch divided by 2 will give you ½ inch. ½ inch divided by 2 will give you 0.2. Then from this one end to this other end is called 3/4 of an inch. So when you have something from here to here, it is 3/4 of an inch. When you have from here to here, it's called ½ of an inch. When you have from here to here, it's called 0.2 inch. So I hope you were able to understand this tape, what it means. So let's take for instance that we want to divide 6 inches into 2. All you just need to do is take the end of the tape, divide it, place it on the 6 inches, and then get the midpoint. So the midpoint is 3. So you see it's 3. So we have 3 inches. Then if you want to get the half of 3 inches, you take the edge of the tape again, and then you divide into 2 like this, like so, and then we have 1 1/2 1.5 inches. All right, then if you want to get the midpoint, the half of 1.5, you take the edge of the tape again, fold it to meet the point of the 1.5, to meet the point of this 1.5, and then we have 3/4 of an inch. So this is 3/4. This is what I explained to you guys before. This is 3/4 of an inch. So guys, I hope this little explanation is able to help you understand the tape measurements and how to make use of the tape. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Thank you guys.